So in physics, for OT 6, the portion will be kinematics 7, 8, 9. These are the major concepts. This is the syllabus for OT 6 kinematics for 6, C4 and C5 classes. So here, mostly in this kinematics, in these three concepts, we are going to solve the problems about on equations of motion. Equations of motion. So let's discuss the equations of motion. We have three equations of motion. Equations of motion. You are going to use three equations of motion to solve the problems here. One is V is equals to U plus AT. The other one is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. And the third equation will be V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. Okay. So coming to this, here we are going to use these three equations to solve the problems, and you are going to decide which formula is used for which problem. It is based on the question and the given data. Like they will give you the question like final velocity, initial velocity and time. At the time you need to calculate the acceleration. So depends upon the question and the given data, you are going to apply these formulas for that question. So let's discuss some problems in which way you are going to use these formulas. So let's take one example, that is from concept 8, the first question. So here the question is a car initially at rest moving with an acceleration a is equals to 4 meters per second, and the time in which it picks up its velocity of 72 meters per second is. So here from the question we can write the given data. So the given data is initially at rest. If you observe here, initially at rest, that means initially, that is initial velocity is 0 u, and moving with an acceleration a is equals to 4 meters per second. That means we can write that a is equals to 4 meters per second square, and the time in which it picks up its velocity of 72 meters per second. Here we need to find out the time, and this velocity is of final velocity 72 meters per second. So it is given that which it picks up its velocity of 72 meters per second. So you can consider that v is equals to 72 meters per second. So now come to here. These are the three formulas we have, and now this is the given data. What is the given data? U is there, A, V, T. These are the parameters we have, and from that if you check one by one equation here, V is equals to U plus AT. So V is there, U is 0, A is also given, and we need to find out the T. So if you compare this data, obviously we can use this equation to find out T. And you may have another doubt that why don't we use these two equations, why we have to use these two equations. So coming to here, this is S. S is the displacement or the distance. We don't have any distance there. U is 0. We need to find out the T. So here in the equation, if we have only one unknown parameter, then obviously you can find out by using the remaining parameters. But here two parameters are unknown, so we can't use this formula. Then coming to here, V square, U square is there, and we need A is also there. We need to find out S. Let me tell one thing. Here we need to find out the time, that is T. Why do we use this equation? It's based off time. Here by using this equation we can find out the displacement, but we are not able to find out the time. And in the question also they are not asking to find out the time. So using this equation is based off time. If they mention that to find out the displacement, then you can use this equation. But they are asking to find out just the time. So we can use V is equals to U plus AT. Okay. Now what is V? 72 is equals to U is 0 plus 4 into T. Now 72 is equals to 4T. From this, T is equals to 72 by 4. So how many times it gets cancelled? 18. How many times? 1, 18. So T is equals to 18 seconds. I need to get this full stop.